When entering Oliver Finley, you'll be greeted by our front desk staff. Let them know that you're here for an appointment with the admissions department. Check out our various product lines or grab a seat in our waiting area before we come to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm one of the admissions reps at Oliver Finley. Since you haven't been in before, come on back and let's chat in our conference room. Our admissions department has multiple reps to better serve our prospective students. We can assist you with answering any questions about our programs, showing you the school, and even going over different payment options. One of our main payment options is financial aid. Financial aid is available to those who qualify. Are you familiar with the FAFSA?
No problem. We can help you get a login started or even help you complete your application.
We know that FAFSA can be confusing, so we would like to make the process as easy as possible for you. If you're not looking to use financial aid, don't worry, we can go over the other alternatives with you. Now, let's show you around and give you an idea of what it may look like to attend Oliver Finley. Each of our programs will start out in what we call Basics. Basics is your beginning portion of school. Here you will do theory, watch demonstrations from your instructors, practice your services on mannequins or even each other, and go through model evaluations. After Basics is over, you will be able to take some appointments and put your skills to the test. While you're in the Cosmetology Basics classroom, you'll be focusing on the main skills and services for hairstyling, hair cutting, hair color, and chemical services. You get to open your kits on the first day of school and start practicing right away. In case you didn't know, cosmetologists are not only licensed to do hair, but aesthetics and nails as well. We provide separate rooms while learning the other subjects to stay more organized. After your time here, you'll be able to continue your education for your hair services on the salon floor, which looks like this. I know the salon floor can seem a little overwhelming, but you're never alone here. Your instructors help throughout your appointments each step of the way. Your time spent here on the floor will be the main part of your education. That way, you're getting as much real-world experience as you can. Now let's check out aesthetics. Welcome to aesthetics. You'll spend a combination of your time in here as well as
hands-on practice in the open classroom.
This program is solely focused on skincare. Throughout your course, you will learn about the skin, different styles of facials, body waxing, lashes, brows, makeup, and machines. After you complete Basics, you will move into the senior classroom and start taking appointments in the spa area. Here we have the service area for the aesthetics department. There are individual rooms for facial services and treatments, as well as body waxing. Instructors help guide you through skin analysis, service decisions, and product recommendations. Interested in nail technology? Let me show you. This is the nail classroom for both Basics and senior students. You will learn and practice services both in here and in the nail spa. Some of your services will include applying full sets or fills using acrylic, hard gel, and polygel, as well as manicures and pedicures with a choice of regular or gel polish. Don't forget to use your artistic freedom and make creative nail art.
If you've been wondering where we keep all of the products for our services, stop wondering and follow me. We are now in our dispense area. Here we have separate sections for each of our programs to store their products and tools: aesthetics, nail technology, and cosmetology. Students and staff members both help keep the space clean and organized.
Did you know we have a separate suite? This is our auditorium.
And all of our programs utilize it.
The stage is convenient for guest educators, class demonstrations, and graduation ceremonies, while the rest of the room is spacious enough to have plenty of seating. We have a dedicated space for you to take photos for your social media. Starting out with good lighting can definitely help when you need to take that perfect actor photo. Ooh, too bright. Once you capture that perfect moment, don't forget to tag Oliver Finley. Hope you enjoyed seeing and getting to know more about Oliver Finley.
We are super excited for the next chapter in your life and can't wait to see you again.
Bye!